Hey there, scrappy friends, Helen here with a video for my monthly collaboration with my friends Sarah and Jackie. So this is One Sketch Three Ways. Today's sketch is by Sarah and it's a great sketch for using scraps. So I've got the Love paper collection from Elle Studio out and all my scraps from that collection. This is a picture of Little Man from beginning of January. So this is for my 52 weeks, 52 favourite photos album. Week 1 I'd scrapped as a 12 by 12 layout, and then starting week 2 I decided I wanted to actually do this in a 6 by 8 album. So I'm just going back and completing a layout for the album for week 1. I had planned out before all these scraps before I started recording, and I'm just layering them all back. They do end up a little bit different to how I planned, but I am happy with how it finished. Do make sure you go check out Sarah and Jackie's videos as well. My video's a little late, theirs went live earlier this morning, and I have just having some issues yesterday and couldn't get my voiceover done, so I'm doing that now. And yeah, hopefully it's not too late for you all to pop on and say hi. If you do enjoy the video, please give it a like and let me know in the comments what you've enjoyed, and if you're not sure what to say, pop an emoji. So just layering up the scraps here now and happy with how they all are. There's a lot cut out of this because I am still sorting the craft room out. I'm doing a big reorganise, which is why videos haven't been up for a couple of weeks. And yeah, I couldn't find my ATG, and then couldn't find my Memento ink. So I thankfully found my ATG. Don't know where the Memento inks ended up, so Mr. Dins bought me a new one that arrives today. So I'm going here through the March embellishment kit from Hey Little Magpie. Pop that off to the back because I'm not sure if I'm going to be using anything, and then bring my stamps out. This is the large James alphabet from Hey Little Magpie, and what I'm going to do is stamp the word week. So this is for week 1, so I'm going to stamp the word week and then use the distress grid stamp set to put a pattern on the top half of the letters. Inspired by Sarah sharing her layout that she's done, where she's covered a pattern on half of the letters as well, and it got me thinking that I need to do that. So just making sure with this set that the word fits, because if it doesn't, I would have got the medium Jane from Elle Studio out, but it does fit. So I'm just going to trim off a bit of this paper, this cardstock at the bottom, just to get it to fit in my stamp platform, and then lay the letters out. So this is when I go off trying to find my Memento. I've got Pacific Point there from Stampin' Up, so retired colleague, can't buy that anymore. And I do begin to think I was going to use that, and then realise no, I was going to do black outline and the pattern in the blue. So there I am, just stamping WEK. I need to do another E, so I'm just going to put the rest of the letters away and re-ink up the E again. Just cleaning it off, drying it off on the paper there that's in my stamp platform. Okay, they're all done. Let's get them away. And now it's figuring out how I'm going to do the pattern, because it doesn't go all the way across all of them. So I do just cut the word in half to then, there we go, get the grid. Now I do have the dies for this set as well, but that's the Gemini is tucked away behind things that need sorting out. So I do hand cut these letters, but like I said, I do have the coordinating dies to actually die cut them. Makes life so much easier with coordinating dies when you're like me and you hate fussy cutting. But yeah, I do just cut these out. It's me trying to get some of the blue off my fingers. I don't know where it is with blue ink. It doesn't matter what ink I use. My thing's fine until I get the blue out, and I end up looking like a smurf every time without fail with blue ink. Okay, I'm not going to make you sit and watch me cut these all out, but I'm just going to trim the letters out and then go with my snips and cut the little bits inside them out. I do forget about the bottom of the W until I place it on the layout. There we go. Oops, yep, there we go. That needs cutting out. And then we've got my week. So I'm just going to spread the glue on. I do like put a little bit on and then spread it out with the nozzle so that it's not really thick and going to squish out when I put the letters down on the layout. So that's the letters done. I then need the number 1, and I choose these from the Ellie's Studio Puffy letters. And then I'm like, oh, you can't actually see it, but I don't think about that for a while. This is my little pot of March goodies from Elle Studio. So I've got the March subscription kit and then a few add-on pieces. I was thinking about using some of these chipboard. I decide then to go in my little pot of random things. So this pot is Hey Little Magpie, JD3D print, and Bramble Fox. Just little bits I've pulled out to try and encourage me to use these things that are usually sorted away in tubs, and I forget about. So they are on my desk, and my aim this month is to use them. So I do pull out this heart from the or I'm gonna say August then. We're only in March. March Hey Little Magpie embellishment kit. I've popped that down with a bit of wet glue, and I've added some wet glue to make sure the number 1 sticks to it as well. So that's a puffy fabric heart. So I think we're done. There we go. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Sarah and Jackie. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.